Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Selenium vs Code full comparison. Follow along as I break down core differences, setup complexity, and typical workflows. I will show practical examples, discuss speed and reliability, and point out when you should use one or both. Expect clear pros and cons that help you decide whether to build test suites, write automation scripts, or focus on coding productivity tools. Setting up each tool is simpler than it seems, but the steps differ a lot. I will outline installation, common pitfalls, and tips for keeping environments consistent across machines. You will learn how to configure drivers, choose extensions, and link testing code to your editor for a smoother workflow. By the end, you will know which initial investments pay off for faster development and fewer flaky tests. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and give it a like to support the channel. On another note, a quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is great for busy developers, with voice control, smart mapping, and strong suction that saves time for coding sessions. It makes life tidier so you can focus on automation. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Performance matters in different ways for these tools, so I compare responsiveness, resource use, and maintenance overhead. I will explain when real browser automation is essential and when editor features speed implementation. Expect real-world recommendations for web testing, scraping, and developer productivity. I will also discuss trade-offs like flakiness, parallel runs, and how editor integrations can reduce context switching during automation projects.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.